Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? Records Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Vybz Kartel, Adidja Palmer, the teacher, Real Boss, with Emergency. Yeah, Emergency. So we're jumping on here because I think it's a fit time now to drop this reaction because of what's going on currently in Jamaica, where both parties are doing elections now and trying to get votes and all that. So we're going to jump in the one here. We know where the GS already, so we're going to jump in the one here and react to the way the GS now. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Today again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up your Zimmy. Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram, you see me. Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that, you see me. But yeah, let's get back to the video. Let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go again!
Roach! R.I.P. Adidja Productions. Mind you, the video quality is not very good. It's been an old video.
The MPM is taking away the goods of vendors. Their livelihood being threatened, and it's breaking news.
Oh, them now make no way give for selling now. What for do?
I think it's a disgrace them take that man's shoes. And he's a poor man. Them wicked, you see.
That's Kingston, the Garrison.
I take them
for dealing poor people with a better approach.
Oh, you mean?
First class man coach. Hey!
Emergency, we are suffer around here. Round here, man, are there. Things stuff around here. Pull up!
Ease! Yo! Like me say, election are going on in Jamaica right now. We only see them politicians here one time at them time. You see them on the road and buy people donkey and give people $5,000 again. On a move!
We're here live on the scene.
Road!
The MPM is taking away the goods
Road!
of vendors. Their livelihood being threatened, and it's breaking news.
Oh, them now make no way give for selling now.
I like no politician. I never vote in my life. I not vote.
I think it's a disgrace.
No politician. No country me going to go live.
And he's
I not
a
vote
poor
on them.
man. Them wicked, you see.
I like them.
Hey, Roach! I take them for
Dealing poor people with a better approach.
Oh, you mean? First class from coach.
Hey!
Emergency, we are suffer around here. Round here, man, are there. Things stuff around here. Fancy. Stand up, man, I go for around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the gutter around here? Emergency, we are suffer around here. Round here, man, are there. Things stuff around here. Fancy. Stand up, man, I go for around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the gutter around here?
Mr. Man, where you do for the gutter around here? What you do for the poorer class people? Because the rich get rich and the poorer get poorer. What you do? What are you doing? Broken promises. All your promise them broke, brother. All your promise them broke. Last election, you tell me, say, you're going to make Jamaica come back where people can sleep with door up. But all your door them are dig off. All your grill get dig off. Let alone sleep up. What you talk about? Eh? A party shop here around, man.
What you doing for the gutter around here?
Hey!
Emergency, we are suffer around here.
A party shop here around, man.
Stand up, man, I go for around here. Mr. Man,
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Two party, but at the same sad song, them a play. Poor people, money, lean back and rock away.
Two party and the same sad song them a play. PMP and JLP are two party. Two political party and the same sad song them a play. The same shit them a talk. The same thing them a tell me every year. Or every 4 years or however long election is. I don't know, I don't care. But at the same thing gonna say, brother. You have one winner in a power. I say, if I was in power, this is what I would do. You have one winner in a power. I say, yo, this is what I'm going to do. You ain't doing shit.
Things stuff around here.
Me not really talk politics, you know. But I sang ya, watch out. Two party, but at the
same sad song them a play. Poor people money lean back and rock away. Them raise everything from aisle to crepe knee. Then how them no raise up everybody play.
Poor people money lean back and rock away. Poor people money gone. As them get it to Antomouth, them a live. Them raise everything from aisle to crave near. Them raise hey! How the woman them pad them raise? What the woman them for do? But minimum wage nah raise though. Minimum wage nah raise. Eh? Eh? How no raise up everybody pay? Eh? But you know go give for yourself how much percent pay rise in a parliament, eh? Okay, alright.
In back and rock away. Them raise everything from aisle to crave near.
Then raise up. Everybody pay.
Vote more, me ban, not so me yard steal. So me now pay not vote for cross me causeway. Mr. Bruce, Mr. PG. This is just a couple questions from a DJ.
This was before the toll bill. Him say a Portmore in ban, that's how him had stay, but him not pay no toll for cross the causeway. This was when the toll just bill actually. Just bill, yeah.
Cross me causeway. Mr. Bruce, Mr. PG. This is just a couple questions from a DJ.
Mr. Bruce, Mr. PG, those times it was them two. It was them two. They, like you say, Mark and Andrew now. It was them two. The Bruce and PG. Bruce Golden and PG participants in them time there when the song dropped.
Because Mr. Bruce,
Mr. PG, this is just a couple questions from a DJ. Question.
Kingston make no ear key.
Question.
Who gon' come in a GA? Who want the wharf and the airport, the docks and the beer?
Me always ask that. Me always ask that question there. No gun no make a Jamaica. How so much gun no down? How so much gun down there? No gun no make a Jamaica. How so much gun down there? Where them are coming from? All right. Them are coming illegally from overseas. All right. They have to be a port of entry. They have to be a port of entry, right? Yeah. Where the port of entry them there? Who own them there? Who run them there?
More, me ban, not so me yard steal. So me now pay not vote for
because we Mr. Bruce, Mr. PG.
This is just a couple questions from a DJ.
Question.
Kingston make no ear key.
Question.
Who gon' come in a GA? Who want the wharf and the airport, the docks and the beer?
Oh, you mean? Crooked officer.
All right.
That one that they come in and shut us.
Yes.
Emergency, boss.
Emergency.
Yes, man, you have to do this right now, boss.
But you know, I don't like to go down to those places.
We have to leave now. Emergency.
Confrontation, Kingston.
Emergency, we are suffer around here. Round here, man, a dead. Things stuff around here. Crime scene. Can't look, man, I go for around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the gutter around here? Emergency, we are suffer around here. Round here, man, a dead. Things stuff around here. Crime scene. Can't look, man, I go for around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the gutter around here? Everything except dead people are raised.
Everything except dead people are raised. Everything are raised in the country. Water bill gone up, light bill gone up, food gone up, but everything are raised apart from pay and dead people cartel. Yeah. You know, rise the dead people, you get that? Alright. Cool.
Mr. Man, what you doing for the gutter around here? Everything except dead people are raised. The dead man are same better off in the grave.
At this time when this video dropped, this was iconic. Even now, looking back at it, this shit is iconic, yo. Like, the amount of people involved in that video as extras. Just look around. Looking at the ghetto. Look how much people out. From all walks. Look how much people out.
Things stuff around here. Crime scene. Look, man, I go around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the gutter around here? Everything except dead people are raised. The dead man are same better off in the grave. How you feel safe for minimum wage? When 2 you go high school, 2 go college.
Or you feel safe for minimum wage. You can't save the money. Or you go save money for minimum wage when you have pitney you go to school. 2 you go high school and 2 go college. 4 pitney that 4 pitney plus back to school. When time back to school time. Plus you have to reach back at work. Plus food after dinner. How?
Doing for the gutter around here. Everything except dead people are raised. The dead man are same better off in the grave. How you feel safe for minimum wage? When 2 you go high school, 2 go college. Them change them face like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐶. To election I come temporary rearrange. Me rate Bruce, me rate PG.
Yo, this I wanna song them. Why the politicians them start look Vybz Kartel different from them time, you know. This I wanna them. Why them start preying from them time till now. Yeah.
Got around here. Everything except dead people are raised. The dead man are same better off in the grave. How you feel safe for minimum wage? When 2 you go high school, 2 go college. Them change them face like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐶.
Them change them face like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐶. What a movie the name again? Is it Face Off? Face Off with Nicolas Cage. Them change them when them change from Nicolas Cage to John Travolta or vice versa. More bad movie, classic movie.
Minimum wage. When two youth go high school, two go all age. Them change them face like Nicolas Cage. To election I come temporary rearrange.
Yeah, man, them change them face from what them used to say and do. Because election I come, them temporary rearrange. Them activities, them daily activities, them face, them put them best foot forward one time at election. I come show people smile. Move. We don't want to smile the face. That can't hit round and move.
Two go all age. Them change them face like Nicolas Cage. To election I come temporary rearrange. Me rate Bruce, me rate PTA. But them one we dead off like that where you playing.
Him say him rate Bruce and rate PJ. Me not rate no politician still. Him rate Bruce, him rate PJ, but them want poor people for dead off like dog we have mange.
Me rate Bruce, me rate PTA. But them one we dead off like dog where you playing. Me born as a sufferer, when it a go change. Me love Portia Simpson, me love Vybz Kartel.
Me born as a sufferer, dog. Don't make me die as a sufferer. When it a go change? Me love Portia, me love Babsy. I don't love them.
Dog where you playing. Me born as a sufferer, when it a go change. Me love Portia Simpson, me love Vybz Kartel. But if them not on a new page, me now wear no green and no red again. Me a wear beige.
The part that me like, the part there. The part that my favorite part of the song. What that line there? Yo!
Love Vybz Kartel. But if them not on a new page, me now wear no green and no red again. Me a wear beige.
So man tell them say, yo, it must stay mutual. Me not wear no green or no red. Well, it's orange. Me not wear no red or no green. Me wear beige. Me mutual. Me not vote for none of them. That's what the G say.
Love Vybz Kartel. But if them not on a new page, me now wear no green and no red again.
Me wear beige.
You they a stop like they
You
could
know
not
what?
change. Them dog live better than with them outrage.
Youth they stoplight a beg. Youth we have all subject they stoplight a beg. But guess what? The rich man dog, the politician them dog, the upper the ass class people them dog live better than we down here so. Yeah, them live better than we. Notice? You never notice in a shop in a rich people area. You never notice in no corner shop in a no rich people area at all. A man in time the rich people them jumping on them big 4x4 and them nice car and drive off of the hill. And go a town of them business place and drive back up. Yeah, that them do.
Me and we a beard. You they a stop like they gonna watch here. Them dog live better than with them outrage. You know how much innocent youth they are 100 man in the cage.
You know how much youth they are prison when innocent. You know how much youth they are prison whenever do the crime when them get accused of. And them thing they jail talk about.
Live better than with them outrage. You know how much innocent youth they are 100 man in the cage. Emergency we are suffer around here. Round here man a dead. Things stuff around here. Crime scene. Look man a go for around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the gutter around here? Emergency we are suffer around here. Round here man a dead. Things stuff around here. Crime scene. Look man a go for around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the gutter around here? Party but at the same sad song them a play. Poor people money lean back and rock away. Them raise everything from aisle to grave knee. Them how them no raise up everybody pay. Portmore me bar now so me yard stay. So me now pay no toll for cost because we Mr. Bruce, Mr. PJ. This is just a couple questions from a little DJ.
Question.
Kingston make no ear key.
Hey, question.
How gun come in a GA? Who won the one
Roach
from
there.
the airport, the docks and the beer? Oh you mean? Emergency, we are suffer around here. Round here man a dead. Things stuff around here. Crime scene. Look man a go for around here. Mr. Man, what you doing for the gutter around here? Emergency, we are suffer.
This song is an anthem in a dance hall. This song is an anthem in a dance hall. Like, this song is one of those songs that say, yo, shit. Like, looking back at it. When the song dropped, I don't even know when it followed out. 12 years ago, more than 12 years ago, I said long time ago. In the early 2000s, this song dropped. And this song still is relevant to the day. Big word. But I'm find a big word now. The song is still relevant to the dog. No joke. Because of the same thing them I do from them time until now. You see me? Not change. Not change at all. So I want to big up the teacher for that stay play in a dance for the anthem here. You see me? Poor people anthem. One of poor people's anthem. You know? Yeah. Big up the teacher. R.I.P. to Roach production team being one. This was the emergency rhythm. Bad rhythm. Alright. So anyway, this I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one here, I want to see more. Just do if you do already. If you want to see some more Throwback Cartel, look on the screen right now. They're floating around, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's worst gamer.